Hello everyone, a grand welcome to all of you again on your favorite NEET informative channel Medicaving. This is Amit and you are watching Medicaving's YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about Osmania Medical College. Osmania Medical College, which is in Telangana, Hyderabad. This is one of the best medical college when we talk about the southern state colleges for MBBS, and the admission is obviously it is done through NEET examination only. If you people are preparing for NEET 2021 and you are going to attend this examination as well as you want admission in Osmania Medical College, which is in Hyderabad, Telangana, then what was the actual cutoff rank and marks for different category students in 2020, and what would be the expected cutoff score for different category through state quota as well as through All India quota. We will discuss each and every detail about the cutoff rank for different categories for Osmania Medical College, Hyderabad in this very short video. You please stay tuned with Medicaving. If you are visiting first time this channel, you have not yet subscribed our channel, do subscribe so that you never miss an important update regarding NEET 2021 counseling and examination updates. Our academic partner MCF NEET, that is My Classroom Foundation NEET, which has started rapid revision course for NEET 2021, which is absolutely free. Channel link is available in video description. Do subscribe that so that you can have a boost in your preparation for NEET 2021. Starting with the video right now, you people are seeing the cutoff of state quota for different category. This file has been maintained from the data received by Telangana State Counseling Authority responsible for NEET counseling, and after filtering that data we have received this much rank which was required for different categories students. Here the rank is mentioned, this is All India rank, and here is the student's name mentioned. Here is the locality of students, either he or she belongs to SVU region, non-local, AU region, right, and OU region. These regions are mentioned here in locality section. Here is the students category. Here if the student is belongs to minority. Here if the student is from PH, that is physically handicapped, then this is mentioned over here. And here is the EWS category if the student have. Here is the college name, and here is the NEET marks that was required for NEET 2020 to get admission in Osmania Medical College through state quota. Here the highest marks was required for SVU region BCD category, which was 627. For AU open category it was 625. For non-local OC candidate it was 625. For SVU region OC, BCB, BCA and BCB category of OU region Muslim minority, it was respectively 621, 610, 609 and 607. This was the last allotted marks and this was the last allotted rank for different regions, different category students. You can easily check it out. This is the detail of state quota. We will discuss about the All India quota also further in this video. We are uploading this document in the description of this video so that you can easily download it. For state quota students, you can easily see the cutoff for Osmania Medical College in 2020. If you are preparing for 2021, definitely you have to score according these marks. If you score better than these marks mentioned in the category section of each column, definitely you will be getting an admission in Osmania Medical College, which is in Hyderabad, Telangana. Talking about the All India quota, then here are the details of All India quota students. Here All India rank is mentioned and here is the allotted institute, right? Here is the course name, here is the category of students which is mentioned over here, candidate category, and this is the category by which the students got allotment in 2020 in Osmania Medical College, right? Here is the NEET marks. For OBC it was required 643 in 2020. For general open 639. For SC it was 563. For ST candidate it was 553. For general PWD it was 336, and for ST PWD candidate it was 322 marks, right? This is the detail of 2020. If you are planning to go in Osmania Medical College, Koti, which is in Hyderabad, Telangana, and you wish to get admission in this college after NEET examination 2021, you are preparing for that as well as you will be giving the examination, then guys, you need to score this much if you want to get admission in Osmania Medical College through All India quota. All India quota 15% seats are available for all the candidates who are from different states. These seats are domicile free, so anyone can apply to these seats across the country for any college where All India quota applies. If you have any question, if you want to ask anything, you can comment us on the comment section below in this video, as well as you can WhatsApp us your query on the number which is shown in the screen right now. In next video, we will discuss the top colleges cutoff for NEET 2021. Stay tuned with Medcoving. Thank you for watching Medcoving. Thanks a lot.